What's going on, guys? Jake back here again with another video for you. This time we've got another unboxing slash first impressions video from Shop Ice Jewelry. Now, as you guys saw before, I did do an unboxing on a Shop Ice tennis bracelet, which was definitely pretty fire. This time we've got something a little different, not a bracelet, but we've got a Cuban necklace. This one's an 8mm VVS1 Moissanite. It is 22 inch with a rose gold color. So what you get in the box, you actually get a Shop Ice Jewelry box. These are new from Shop Ice. He just changed these over to new packaging. This all comes in a bubble mailer. And as usual, you get your GRA certification card and a little pamphlet here. Everything Moissanite on these are VVS1, which are amazing in color and super shiny. I'll show you that here in a second. Alright, so opening up the box, there's a little pull tab on the bottom. This slides out, comes in this little baggie here. Then inside the box, you get this gorgeous Moissanite Cuban necklace. This one's 22 inches with the rose gold color, super shiny. As I was saying before, it is a VVS1 color grade D, which are the purest Moissanite stones. These do pass the testers, which I'll show you here in a second. All right, we've got our basic tester here. Let's try it out at 2. See what we get. Pass, see, no problem. Try over here, pass. We also have Moissanite on the box lock back here. No issue. All right, taking a look at the necklace up close. Absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, even has the Moissanite on the box lock here. Stunning necklace. These are 925 silver with a 10 karat gold plating. This one's the rose gold, like I said. Might be a little hard to tell on camera. It's actually very, very nice. Not too predominantly rose, but a nice hue, so it's not over the top. Plain box lock on the back. But yeah, definitely super nice quality for sure. So this is on neck. Like I said earlier, this one is the 22 inch. Fits nice, shines nice, lays nice. No kinks, as long as you keep it not in the small box or anything like that, it's gonna lay perfect. Nice spaced links. I think this necklace is really fire. And like I said, you guys will enjoy it too. He's got 8mm, 9mm, bunch of variety of sizes. I think they go up to 24 inch and then as short as 18 inch. So be sure to check that out too. So if you guys want to get this or anything else from Shop Ice Jewelry, go ahead and use my link down in the description below. It helps the channel out, helps me keep bringing you guys videos. Shop Ice has all kinds of stuff. Moissanite Cubans, plain Cubans, silver, gold, rose gold. He's got tennis bracelets, earrings, pendants. Always bringing all kinds of new stuff too, so be sure to check out the site frequently. You'll definitely find something that you like. He's got a little bit of something for everyone. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to go ahead and leave that down in the comments, and I'll get back to that as soon as I can. As always, like, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a good day. See ya.